Today we have Convoy M21B with Nichia 719A and a smooth reflector. So I don't see often this particular emitter has been reviewed, so I just wanted to give it a try. So I have already set this to group 10, which is 1, 10, 35 and 100%. So we'll call it level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. So this is level 1, level 2, this is level 3, and this is level 4. So the Nichia 719A has a color which is like 5000 Kelvin, and I'm not sure about how much lumens it produces, but it looks slightly on the warmer side, and with the orange will reflect with the smooth reflector, it is pretty throwy, but it's not that bright. So this is the first tree. So this is level 1, level 2, level 3 and level 4. So this I think we can use for EDC and not a large form factor or a mid to large form factor flashlight, and probably that's the reason it did not get much traction, or people doesn't review this much, because for a host of M21B, this is not really powerful, though it is able to throw till the boundary, but it is not very bright. So let's see from the first tree, and I think this is on level 4. Yeah, it was level 4. This is level 4. So you can see it's not that bright, though the tint is good. This is M21B with Nichia 719A. So I wanted to test this two M21Bs. This is Nichia 719A and this is Nichia 519A. This is 4000 Kelvin and this is 5700 Kelvin. This 719A comes with a smooth reflector and the 519A comes with the orange pill reflector. Both are set to group 10. So let's see. So this is level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. And from here it is usable. Let's push it to level 4. Now we are talking. So the 519A is 4000 Kelvin and has a orange pill reflector. So that's why you might not see a clear hotspot like the 719A. But the tint wise, you can see this is 5700 Kelvin or 5000 Kelvin on the left, which is 719A Nichia, and on my right we have the 4000 Kelvin, which is pretty warm, and due to which it doesn't throw much. But the Nichia 519A has a better tint. and the 719A is slightly cooler than the 519A and is able to throw because of the smooth reflector. Both are on the highest brightness, but they are warm, not hot to touch. But that's nice. Let's take a quick walk again. I am still keeping them in the highest brightness. All right. So here we have the Nichia 719 versus 519.